Mag ik wel opnemen?
Aloha and welcome to Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve. As a visitor to one of Hawaii's most important natural treasures, you play an important role in protecting this place. We will share several ways that you can become a steward to preserve the unique beauty of the bay and everything within it. If you have trouble understanding English, please use the provided headsets to tune into your native language. We appreciate that you are taking the time to view the following video presentation. Mahalo.
This is the story of Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve. These cerulean waters, filled with spectacular array of wildlife and natural beauty, appear tranquil, but it wasn't always like this. 30 to 40,000 years ago, violent volcanic explosions sent steam, ash, and coral reef into the air. The debris fell, cooled, hardened to form a small crater. Water filled the crater, and it gradually became populated with a fantastic variety of marine life. A bay was born. Polynesian voyagers were among the first to see this beautiful place and named it Hanauma, which can be translated as Curved Bay. The bay became a favored fishing and recreation site for Royal Hawaiian families. Native Hawaiians had a profound respect for the natural environment and maintained an intimate relationship with it. They recognized that if they did not care for the land, sea, and air, those natural systems would not provide sustenance for them. As time passed, and with the arrival of people from around the world, the bay's allure drew more and more visitors until overfishing and overuse threatened the bay's natural ecosystem. In order to protect Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve, it was declared a marine life conservation district in 1967, prohibiting fishing and the removal or altering of any of the bay's coral, shells, and marine life. These protections remain in place today, allowing dozens of species of algae and animals to thrive within the bay. Some of these species are found nowhere else in the world. Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve is a remarkable place and is much more than just a picturesque beach. It is a delicate and intricate ecosystem.
Your help is required to keep Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve open to visitors each day. To better protect the bay and to keep yourself safe, it's important that you are aware of the park rules and you'll need to observe all posted signs. First, while in the water, follow a simple guideline. Look, but do not touch. Corals are alive and are the base of our reef ecosystem. Although the reef may look like rocks, it is actually made up of tiny algae and animals that provide food and shelter for other marine life. They can be razor sharp, so it's important that you avoid stepping on or touching the reef. Doing so can harm you and damage the reef. Although it may be tempting to touch some of the marine life, doing so could be harmful to both you and the animal. In the case of protected species, such as the Hawaiian green sea turtle, touching them is actually prohibited by federal and state laws. Feeding the fish and other animals is prohibited. Also, it is everyone's responsibility to ensure nothing is removed from the bay. Take only photos and memories with you and leave everything else. The water in Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve is a natural open ocean environment with changing conditions that can present real danger to even the strongest swimmers. We want you to enjoy your visit, so please follow a few guidelines that will help you stay safe. Lifeguards are located on the beach and will provide you with medical assistance if needed. Before entering the water, familiarize yourself with key locations that are potentially dangerous. Ocean conditions change constantly, so please read and understand posted hazard signs. Make sure to ask a lifeguard if you have any questions. Strong currents can present real hazard to swimmers, so steer clear of areas with warning buoys, which mark two primary locations where persistent strong currents exist. Occasionally, breaking waves in the bay create rough, turbulent water, so avoid areas where you see breaking surf. There are areas with deep holes and sudden drop-offs that can be dangerous, so it's best to stay away from these areas. Snorkeling is a strenuous activity that requires good physical condition and skillful practice. It is critical to your safety that you have strong swimming abilities before entering the ocean. Never swim alone, and use the buddy system while swimming or snorkeling. If you can't swim, don't go in. If circumstances should arise relating to everyone's safety, lifeguards will make announcements over loudspeakers. Please listen to them carefully and take action to keep safe. Remember to follow these simple guidelines to ensure that you will be safe while having fun. Be aware of all safety signs and hazards and avoid strong currents and dangerous ocean conditions. If you are in trouble or see someone struggling in the water, wave your hands in the air and yell to signal for help. You can always ask the lifeguards for assistance regarding ocean conditions and medical needs. And most importantly, if in doubt, don't go out. Trash that ends up in the ocean can harm wildlife and damage their habitat. Therefore, help to care for the bay by disposing all litter into trash cans. Everyone's cooperation is required to protect the bay. If you see your friends or family not following any of the guidelines, kindly spread the word and teach others how to take care of themselves and the bay.
Be a part of the Hawaiian tradition and spread aloha ka'aina, which means love for the land, by caring for the land and the ocean. Your stewardship is vital to the future of Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve. Remember that the bay is a conservation area and one of Hawaii's natural treasures for you to experience and enjoy. Please take notice of all the bay's features for your safety and convenience, and exercise responsibility in helping to protect and sustain this incredible sanctuary for future generations. We hope you have a wonderful day full lasting memories here at the Hanauma Bay Nature Preserve. Mahalo nui.